we accomplished reaching Sandakphu Peak. The trekking was great. It was a good accomplishment because the second day was quite steep, even for me. Even though I've done a lot of trekking and a lot of hiking, I did find it quite steep, even though it was only 2-3 hours, but it was quite difficult. And yeah, proud of the kids that they all did it as well and didn't complain and pushed through even though it was tough.
Another accomplishment was sleeping in the night because it was freezing cold.
I didn't end up going to the hotels, even though I really wanted to. After one night of staying in that tea house, I was very convinced I didn't want to stay, but we pushed through and stayed in that room.
One challenge was the sudden change in weather. It was a lot cooler than we expected, and it was just, making sure to keep everyone's spirits up, because when the weather goes in a way that doesn't benefit us, if it had benefited everyone, no one would complain. But because it didn't benefit us, it was just managing everyone and making sure that we share a lot of love, a lot of compassion, a lot of empathy, and just keep everyone's spirits alive and play some games, have fun, and get to know each other.
When I return home, I'm going to take a very long shower. There were no showers on the mountain.
Yeah, I think we'll take more hiking trips locally in our area, in our region, since everyone seems to enjoy it, the trekking part.
We discovered that everyone could do the hike, and even though it was cold, everyone could still do it.
We also discovered that everybody is good hikers, because at the second day it was very steep.
One thing I can add to that as well is just how everyone was, no matter what everyone thought, everyone just came together to support one another. And so, one small example is, as mentioned earlier, it was very cold one night, and the kids, once they got into bed, they didn't want to come out and their feet were cold. So even though it was freezing and my hands were freezing, I still went and was rubbing my daughter's feet just so that she could have some warmth. So there was a lot of love towards each other. There was less of selfishness. And that's what I love, that people just came together to create a better experience.
It was really fun. And compared to our other hike that we did in Kashmir, it was a lot easier because of the weather, so we did it for more time. But here, the trek was really nice. It was just the weather that would be nice if it was different.
I think the team was great. All the trekking who were leading us from the front and the back, and making sure everyone was okay. So that was great. And I think all the games helped in between to kind of take your mind off of everything you're feeling, because we were complaining and not enjoying the cold. But when you get busy in a game, sometimes you forget all those things.
Everyone was really nice to everyone, and no one really was mean to each other.
And we all got along very well.
And one thing about the team was, it didn't matter what time of night it was. We had one particular incident where there was some attention that was required at, I think it was around midnight, and the team was there. So what I love about the team is they were always there for us. And it's great to have such good people with us, because you only realize how good the people are when things don't go well. When things are going well, everybody's nice and everyone is your best friend. When things aren't going great, that's when you see true characters. And I think we're very blessed to have some of the team members that have come on this trip with us.
That they should come on the next trek.
Yeah, I think that it's a good bonding experience, even as a family. So maybe everyone else, we can do one with our whole family, extended family, and pick somewhere nice and warm. And maybe we can enjoy trekking and staying in a nice hotel. And then everyone will enjoy the experience, I think.
And also to say thank you to the people who organized this trip, because it was really nice.
Yeah, message I have for the family is when we get together for the family holiday in July in Kashmir, maybe we'll organize a day trek one of the days, and I'll build a Four Seasons at one of the places just so my wife can be very comfortable and all of you as well.
I think that's a new business you should start.
Four Seasons on
Mountain
the
luxury
mountains.
properties.